This is Elisa with WTI. This EcoHub carry-on is super cute and really handy for traveling. The pink color makes it easy to spot and the design is modern and sleek. It's the perfect size for short trips or weekend getaways, approved for airline carry-on and fits in overhead bins. It's lightweight, but the hard shell keeps your things protected. The spinner wheels roll smoothly and the handle feels sturdy. I also like that it has a built-in TCA lock for extra safety. The inside has enough room for clothes, shoes, and toiletries, and it even comes with a matching duffel and clear pouch for your small items. EcoHub also offers great quality compression packing cubes for travel essentials. So whether you're flying or going on a road trip, this carry-on makes packing simple and stylish. I highly recommend it. And that's my point of view.